Well, I don't know whether education should be based on the basis of biological categories or whether segregation and equality go together.
Only 18% of the women in our country can read and write, and more than 75% of the women are still working in agriculture as well as in the unorganized sectors of industry. This is not a very happy picture.
अगर ये विद्यापीठ नहीं होती तो मैं अपना शिक्षण फिर से शुरू नहीं कर पाती। आपको तो मालूम है कि मैं गांव से आई हूँ। मेरे माता पिता पुराने ख्यालात के हैं। वे मुझे सह शिक्षण कॉलेज में कभी पढ़ने नहीं देते।
Excuse me, young lady. Yes. Where is the way to Women's University?
It's right here in front of you. Whom would you like to meet?
Nobody in particular.
Yes.
I would like to visit this place.
Yeah, I have some time to myself right away after exams. I'll help you out. Please come along.
Thank you.
Incidentally, this statue is of a founder, Maharshi Karve. He started this university in the year 1916 with just 4 students.
Yes, I do remember to have seen a film series and documentary about him.
Oh yeah. Would you like to meet some of our students from our hostel and later visit the various departments?
Yes, as it suits you.
Let's move then.
Where did this university start?
Dr. Donlu Keshav Karve started this university at Himni near Pune.
He must have faced a lot of difficulties then.
Naturally, in a superstitious society like ours.
But then how did it come to be known as SNDT?
In 1920, Sir Vitaldas Thakurse donated 15 lakhs of rupees to commemorate the memory of his mother. The university then came to be known as Srimati Nathibai Damodar Thakurse Indian Women's University. Premlila Ben Thakurse's efforts resulted in shifting the headquarters to Bombay in 1936. In 1951, the SNDT got statutory recognition and Lady Thakurse was nominated as the Vice Chancellor.
A tremendous progress indeed since then.
Yes, it has now 23 affiliated and conducted colleges, 15 university, postgraduate and research departments, 3 campuses, more than 20,000 students and 600 faculty members. We have the Department of Continuing Education, one of the best in the country. The university responds to the needs of the community by providing educational facilities and service to the people in their own environments. And look at the diversity of our programs.
Everything here is just wonderful. The atmosphere in the university is so good, calm, quiet and disciplined.
Our university offers a wide range of elective subjects besides compulsory subjects for graduation such as home science, library science, nursing, social sciences.
Training in homemaking is not that much necessary for women. They know it, but it's absolutely necessary for men.
Well, this is not somebody's house. This is a home science class in practice.
We strive not so much for equality as much as we strive to search for our identity.
તમે જાણો છો કે અમે અહીં નિરાતે રહી શકીએ છીએ, મુક્ત હરીફરી શકીએ છીએ.
She feels that the atmosphere here is more free than in other co-educational institutions.
એવું અમે સહશિક્ષણવાળી સંસ્થામાં કરી શકત કે કેમ એનું આશ્ચર્ય મને જરૂર થાય છે. આમच्या विद्यापीठानं 60 वर्षापूर्वी जे काही केलं,
The use of mother tongue as medium of instruction and system of external candidates for higher exams were introduced here since inception, that is 60 years back.
जिंदगी यहाँ दिलचस्प है वर्ग में और वर्ग के बाहर भी.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you to our Hostel Day celebration, and now we present before you the fashion show. My eldest sister, who has got a postgraduate degree from this university, is what you may call a most successful executive.
And is subject to our confirmation at the time of placing your order with us. Thanking you, yours truly. मैंने एसएनडीटी यूनिवर्सिटी से एमए किया है. अब मैं खटाव की बहुत सी कंसर्न में डायरेक्टर की हैसियत से काम कर रही हूँ. लड़कियों की आर्थिक आत्मनिर्भरता के लिए बहुत से कोर्स एसएनडीटी में हैं. इसके अलावा इस यूनिवर्सिटी में फाइन आर्ट्स जैसे म्यूजिक का कोर्स पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन लेवल तक है.
हा भूपरा किशोरी आमोणकरची रेकॉर्ड तुम्ही ऐकता आहात. आणि या रागाचं वैशिष्ट्य म्हणजे कल्याण थाटातून हा निर्माण होतो. याचे वादी गांधार आणि संवादी दैवत आहेत.
We do not want to become Xerox copies of Sita and Savitri. We do not want to be social parasites, mere sexual creatures. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है.
We have here the first center for women's studies fully devoted to the research on problems of women. Very soon, we will have faculties of pure science, social work and commerce added to the other faculties. The Polytechnic at Juhu has been recently started with 2 branches, medical technology and secretarial practices. Courses in food technology, costume designing and postgraduate diploma courses in science disciplines are in the offing.
My would-be father-in-law is insisting upon a degree before my marriage. For me, this was the easiest way to do so.
Since you are going to Pune, why don't you visit our campus there? You will be interested to learn about the activities that are going on there and the progress we have achieved over the last 6 decades. Premlila Thakursi is also in Pune, and I am sure she will be happy to talk to you.
Lady Thakursi, what was your inspiration for associating with Indian Women's University?
In 1919, we went on a world tour. In Japan, we visited the Women's University at Tokyo. When we came back from tour, my husband offered a donation of rupees 15 lakhs to Karve. I remember the time when Jawaharlal Nehru came to the university to preside over the centenary celebrations of Maharshi Karve.
A separate university, Women's University, exclusively for women, was necessary 60 years ago. Do you think it is still necessary?
Yes, certainly.
Why? After independence, our constitution has granted equality of opportunity to all citizens, irrespective of religion, caste and sex.
I wonder how many of our women in India know about these constitutional rights.
पती आणि मुलं यांच्यावर अवलंबून राहणं मला कधीच आवडणार नाही. मला माझी स्वतंत्र करिअर निर्माण करायचे. There is lack of competition and hence no challenge. मेरे ख्याल में महिला विद्यापीठ में पढ़ने से स्त्री का गौरव घटता नहीं है.
The College of Education in a Pune campus lays a lot of emphasis on work experience.
Your home science graduates are in great demand now.
Yes, they are.
I think it is incumbent on our university to provide facilities, both academic and non-academic programs. We have the National Social Service, where the students feel positive involvement and get satisfaction. Same the construction of 100 homes which are constructed for the homeless in the Nirmal village, organized by us.
I graduated 15 years ago from Delhi University. My main subject was politics. Even though I got first class, my mother did not want me to continue.
Oh, she objected.
She objected. She thought that the politics is men's field and women ought not to meddle with it. She wanted me to settle down in life. I got married. I have 2 children. Now they are grown up. I was busy with household work. Fortunately, my husband is very broad-minded person. He has always encouraged me to study further. Now that he has been transferred to Bombay, I am thinking of continuing my study again.
So, one more woman is joining the course of her choice, politics, a facility denied to her earlier, and is going to find fulfillment in her life through the SNDT.